Hi, I'm Sosa.
Hi, I'm Azam.
And together we're
Differently Alike.
Okay, so I kind of messed up. I opened the next song and I wasn't paying attention, so it kind of played for like maybe 2 seconds, 3 seconds.
I know.
And
It
wild
sounds so good.
production. Bro, I'm very excited about
I
this.
swear.
It must be, because if they use these pictures for this song, and this is the Sugi picture,
Oof.
that they decided to, this is the, look at Wendy's look at the plump ass lips.
Like
Oh, they gave me Starry Eddie.
Starry Eddie.
Wow,
Mulan
joy.
with the blade.
And Irene. Okay, Bulldozer is gonna be something. Let's go.
Let's
Bulldozer. Hello. Oh wait, did I? Yeah.
Look, once upon a time 정해진 것들이 있대. 규칙들을 깨부수는 액션 반전 있는 베리. 원한다면 가지는 게 나만의 rule. 막아서면 다칠지도 몰라. Crash, oops, you better run. 네 예상보다 조금 느리. Bounce back, 찍고 전환. Better get out of my way. I'm a bulldozer, 기회 줄 때 없어. 도망가는 보기보다
The layers.
I'm your poet, I'm your pain.
Oh!
멈추는 법 따윈 없는 break. I'm a bulldozer, 거침없이 closer. 모든 걸 다 망가뜨릴 내 모습이 보여. I'm your poet, I'm your pain.
I love that.
할 수 없다면 넌 그쯤하고 back. Hey, what can I break? What can I break? Yeah. What can I break? What can I break? Bulldozer. What can you break? What can you break? What can you break? What can you break? Bulldozer. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I told ya. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. A bulldozer. 헷갈린 적 없어 target. 뭐라도 하면 넌 놓지 않아. 그게 나니까. 가뿐히 handle it. 방심하는 그 순간 그가의 속삭인 crawling. Sorry you got in my way. I'm a bulldozer. 이 다음은 없어. 서둘러 난 보기보다 참을성이 없어. I'm your poet, I'm your pain.
Oh my God.
법 따윈 없는 break. I'm a bulldozer. 한계까지 closer. 모든 게 다 헝클어진 이 모습이 보여. I'm your poet, I'm your pain.
Poet, I'm your pain.
I love it.
What can I break?
Hey.
What can I break?
Yeah.
What can I break?
What can I break? Yo, what can I break? Hey.
What can you break? What can you break?
Hey.
What can you break?
What can I break?
나야 못돼 넘기시는 너를
Damn.
나야 결국 너를 삼켜 like a fire
Fire.
멈추지 않아 전부 knock you down 나야 못돼 넘기시는
Why?
너를 나야 결국 너를 삼켜 like a fire 멈추지 않아 전부 knock you down
Damn. I love when they end with a laugh. With a
I
oh,
loved-
level up.
I loved all the little noises. all the noises, all the ad-libs.
All the ad libs.
I'm a bulldozer 거침없이 close
Wasn't meant to do that, but it still ate.
Yeah.
Listen!
I thought that was on purpose.
I mean, it was.
Do you know what's funny to me? Like oh wow, the chill. Anyways,
Oh,
Red
the
Velvet.
chill kill.
I know you will. Like under 3 minutes, a few songs, and normally we would bitch about a song.
The
first thing we would say,
It's
"It's our song." Like, what do you mean? How did Red Velvet? How is this? That song was ongoing.
It was
Do you know
ongoing.
when a song is good, you don't need to like
Sorry.
fill it up,
Yeah.
huh?
Okay.
Do you know?
I just had to look at myself real quick.
You're pretty.
You too.
Sorry.
Bulldozer.
I don't know what I was about to say, but anyways.
I'm your poet, I'm your pain. 시작하면 멈추는 법 따윈 없는 break.
Irene, you are insane.
I'm your poet, I'm your pain.
The first time I heard
How
that,
poetic.
girl, I
How
levitated. First of
I'm
all,
your poet, I'm your pain.
right? Like just even the lyrics. I'm your poet, I'm your pain. Okay, whatever. But the way
she does it.
sings it, the way they all sing it. Okay,
No, but I like Irene's the most. No
But
offense.
the way Irene sings it, girl, she had me like this. She snatched me.
어서 도망가는 보기보다 I'm a bulldozer 기회 줄 때 어서 도망가는
Here, like
보기보다 참을성이 없어
the several Sogis.
I'm your poet, I'm your pain
No, I'm
It's
sorry.
kind of like I'm your
poet, I'm your pain 시작하면 멈추는 법 따윈 없는 break.
break.
Don't play about Irene's versatility,
I
okay?
swear to freak.
The scream she did for Really Bad Boy, and now this. Don't play with her.
What a
Don't play with
queen.
her.
어서 도망가는 보기보다 참을성이 없어 I'm your poet, I'm your pain 시작하면 멈추는 법 따윈 없는 break.
I honestly understand why I struggled so long to pick a bias.
No, I get it.
I understand.
No, I understand.
I love everyone.
I don't know how I came to the conclusion for Sugi. I mean, for me, that's the right answer. But when did I fall? When did I decide
28
Sugi?
reasons? Maybe?
It was even before 28 Reasons.
I'm lost in Los Angeles. Oh, I think maybe you liked her already because she featured on Bam Bam.
It was with Bam Bam.
On Bam Bam's song.
Yeah.
Sheesh. No, I love this.
And on Sugi and Irene, we did those things too. So I already had like that.
True.
Yeah.
You had like a clear vision of who Irene was before you even got into Red Velvet.
Sugi.
Sogi, exactly. Wow. Irene is on my mind 24/7, guys. So sorry.
Hey, I don't blame you.
Like,
I don't blame you.
I'm your poet, I'm your pain 시작하면 멈추는 법 따윈 없는 break.
I want the recording behind.
I want it.
I
I can
want-
see her like, I'm your poet, I'm your like.
And then she's like, you know what? Maybe I need to do a little bit more. Like, it was her suggestion. I like these women. And that's kind of like an understatement. Just a little big understatement. Bulldozer. Honestly, Yeri on this track as well too. I'm not gonna lie. Like, but
The way she opens.
Yeri this album for me, this era, it's hers.
Look, once upon a time 정해진 것들이 있대 규칙들을 깨부수는 액션 반전 있는 발이 원한다면 가지는 게 나만의 rule 막아서면 다칠지도
Also,
Yup.
정해진 것들이 있대 규칙들을 깨부수는 액션 반전 있는 발이 원한다면 가지는 게 나만의 rule 막아서면 다칠지도 몰라 You better run 예상보다 조금 느리 Bounce back
That's so
bounce
beautiful.
back Better get out of my way I'm a bulldozer 기회 줄 때 어서 도망가는 보기보다 참을성이 없어 I'm your poet, I'm your pain 시작하면 멈추는 법 따윈 없는 break I'm a bulldozer 거침없이 closer 모든 걸 다 망가뜨릴 내 모습이 보여 I'm your poet, I'm your pain 감당할 수 없다면 넌 틈하고 back Hey, what can I break? What can I break?
huh?
Yeah,
What can I break? What can I break?
bulldozer What can you break? What can you break? Maybe you can What can you break?
Maybe you can.
Bulldozer
Like, can you? Can you actually? Maybe you can't.
Maybe you can What can you
Maybe you
break?
can.
Maybe you can't.
Bulldozer La 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 I told ya La 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 A bulldozer 떨린 적 없어 target 뭐라도 하면 넌 놓지 않아 그게 나니까 가뿐히 핸들리 방심하는 그 순간 그가의 속삭인
Wow.
calling Sorry you got in my way
Sorry, got in my
I'm a
way.
bulldozer
These girls only know how to yum 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 yum.
Yeah, only eat.
Swear. If they would make a song about how much they eat, it would still slap.
Oh my goodness.
All we
my
do
God.
is eat.
It would probably be a true Red Velvet song, like a very very Red Velvety song.
And they would eat a red velvet cake in the music video.
Everything would be Red Velvet.
I swear.
Cake Land.
Cakeland.
Please do it. I also want an a cappella song. Like they do the, I don't know what's it called when they do a song and they do all of the instrument sounds with their voices too.
Isn't that a cappella?
Okay, a cappella then. I thought a cappella meant without accompaniment or something. Sounds background. I thought maybe when they do the
I don't know.
if that maybe had like a different name.
Because I understand. I thought maybe it has a double meaning. I don't know.
A cappella?
I don't know.
Maybe. I have to look that up after. If somebody knows, let me know.
Let us know.
Like this, because I know if I Google it, I'm gonna go on like a 1 hour deep dive. She sent me a picture of photo cards that she wanted to give me, and I ranted about hands and thumbs and fingers and possible hand diseases the whole time if you just let me be and if you don't let me focus. So somebody tell me so I don't have to like go crazy. But anyways, next song. Find us in the next song, in the next video for the next. With that, I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next.
And as always, like, comment, subscribe, post notifications, and show us some love.
Bye.
어딜 거저길까 내가 앞에 있잖아 딴 생각하는 게 다 눈에 보이는데